Be the Math's most embarrassing math moments. My first year of teaching high school math was definitely a learning curve. I was teaching quadratics. Quadratics are the U-shaped graphs. So I had a chalkboard, and I was writing and talking away, and I drew the first quadratic. I explained and labeled the vertex. The vertex is the highest or lowest point on the quadratic. Then a student raised their hand and asked how I found the vertex. So instead of erasing, I moved over and drew another quadratic, and I explained how to find the vertex again. This is basically what my students saw that fateful day in 5th period. I wrote quadratics, I drew the first one, and labeled the vertex. Moved over and drew the second one, again labeling the vertex. I'm actually completely oblivious to my mistake. And a student raised his hand, and I was excited. It was like he didn't talk much in my class, and I was like, yes, I'm getting through to him. I was wrong. After I called on him, he said, "Hey, Miss B, why did you just draw boobs on the board?" I turned around, and there they were. Grabbed the eraser, but it wouldn't work. My class was in hysterics, and I was in tears. I walked out of my room and slumped against the wall in the hallway. The other teachers heard the noise and came to check on us, and they had to go see the boobs. The boobs on the board. I've laughed about this memory for years and years. Thanks to all my students for the memories. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can email me for video requests at BtheMath@gmail.com.